reintroduce myself, because baby, if you want it, I got it. You're looking so sweet and exotic. Don't mind the weed smoke. It's what I do to calm my nerves. It's what I do to see the world for what it is. Yeah. Come on in, baby. Let me bake you some fish. Let me make you some brown rice. Yeah. Girl, you're wife material. You look so fine with your locks on, smelling like shea butter. No, baby, look at me as your new lover. Don't care who your ex-lover was, because he is no longer in your DNA, must I say. But hey, anyway, what we doing today? Cause anything you want, you got it, because you sure got it. Exotic body, big old booty. You're a natural born beauty. Let's go to the park. It don't cost much money to look in each other's eyes. Anything you want, you can have it. Anything you need, I'm gonna try my best to give it to you. You're so beautiful with your long locks. You're so fine with your big brown eyes. Anything you want, you can have it. I'm gonna try my best to grab it, get it for you, because you are my black queen. Afro sheen, soul train dancer, if you know what I mean. You can have anything, my queen. May I, should I, maybe we can stop by and get an Eldam's pie or a bean pie from the brother on the corner with the bow tie, moving those pink boxes. Yes, you can have one too, if you let me make love to you. I'm just playing unless you're willing to. Nah, I'm just asking. I know you think I'm crazy, but I do anything to make you laugh, to make you my baby. Message to the black man, why does the cage bird sing? Just a few books you might see on my bookshelf. No, I ain't trying to impress you. I'm just trying to open my pineal gland to who I was 100 years ago. You know, the stuff they didn't teach us in school. But anyway, where you wanna go? I see you eyeballing the hallway that leads to the bedroom. Yeah, I wanna exchange bodily fluids with you too. But you're more than just sex, you're more than just something to do. Girl, I wouldn't have brought you to my flat. That's something I normally don't do. Girl, I'm into you, and love may be the byproduct, or should I say sex will be the byproduct. Girl, you got me intoxicated like narcotics, but like I said, anything you want, you can have it. I like the Birkenstocks, I like that your toes are manicured. It's everything you do, girl, everything I need, everything I've seen in a Jet and Ebony magazine. Anything you want, you can have it. Anything you need, I'm gonna try my best to give it to you. You're so beautiful with your long locks. You're so fine with your